Here's a very interesting problem from equivalent algebraic expressions. Are the given functions equivalent? Explain your answer. And what we are given here is x plus 1 times x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 times x plus 2 and x plus 1 over x plus 2. That is to say, when you cancel out the common factors, what remains is this. So the question here is, are they equivalent or not? So what is your answer? Is it yes or no? And explain your answer. Well, cancelling, it seems that they are equivalent, but the answer is they are not equivalent. So the answer is not equivalent. Now, can you tell me the reason why? The reason here is that look into the restrictions. What are the restrictions here? The restrictions here are, let me write down restrictions here. That x is not equal to minus 2, it will make the denominator 0, right? And here the restriction is that x is not equal to 1 and minus 2. So there are two restrictions here, whereas there's only one restriction here. Do you understand? So that is one major difference, correct? Second, what will these restrictions lead to, right? So here we have a vertical asymptote, right? We have a vertical asymptote at x equals to minus 2. What about this place? We do have a vertical asymptote at x equals to minus 2. How about at x equals to 1? We have a hole at x equals to 1. I mean vertical asymptote of minus 2, I wrote 1, right? So we do have vertical asymptote in both the cases, but in this rational function, we also have a hole at x equals to 1. So that makes the two of them very different. Do you understand? That is how it is. Now in case you cancel them out and you want to write them as equivalent fractions, right? In case you do want to write them as equivalent fraction, then how should you be writing? That is another part and the most important part. So remember one thing, whenever you cancel them out, you have to write them like this, x plus 1 over x plus 2, where x is not equal to 1 and minus 2. You have to give both the restrictions. Once you give both these restrictions, then they are equivalent. Do you understand? Otherwise, they're not equivalent. So this is a very important thing to understand while we are working with equivalent algebraic expressions. I hope this point is absolutely clear. Thank you.